Hey y'all, you may or may not know that I ordered an adapter, a NACS to CCS adapter from A to Z EV, which should arrive in the next week or so, and I will play around with that plenty. Don't worry, it won't work when I first get it, most likely, but I'm still gonna do lots of playing around with it, see what we can do with it, and I'll show it off, all that. But earlier, we were going to dinner tonight with some friends, and I realized, oh, well, the car was only at about 46% state of charge. Didn't really need to charge, but I thought, such a nice day out. Let's go down to the Magic Dock and test it out just one more time. Let's go play with that, look at that adapter, and just contemplate what life will be like when we can all charge our non-Tesla cars at Tesla superchargers. It's going to be a great day when they finally open up. But today was a great day because it was so nice out. So take it away, me. It is a lovely day here in Enfield, Connecticut at the Tesla Magic Dock. So this is kind of how the adapter is going to work, I think, right? I mean, these adapters don't really require much. They don't need authentication. So I'm kind of curious as how this is going to work when the adapters for non-Teslas for all superchargers work, because, Teslas require authentication. That's why it's plug and charge, right? But here, that's not really required. So we're going to go through the whole process. I'm going to record my screen on my phone so I can record that. So, Tesla. Here we are. Enfield, Connecticut. Charge here. We are at 2B. Adapter. See, it doesn't say anything on it, but this is basically Tesla's adapter, right? Plug it in. Initializing charging. And we're charging. Charging. So that's basically it. I mean, it's a pretty simple process. Now, I'm not a member on the Tesla app at this point because the superchargers haven't opened up for everybody yet, but they will be, right? We all know that. So there's no authentication. All it's basically doing is making a handshake with the car saying, yeah, it's an electric car. It's safe to charge. It's safe to put the power through. And it just works. So my question is going to be, will the Tesla adapter just be what's on these Magic Docks and just work for any non-Tesla vehicle? It'll be interesting to see. But as of right now, the Tesla adapter that's built into the Magic Docks, as far as I know, don't require any kind of authentication to prove that this car is authorized to charge here. It's not plug and charge, obviously. So will Tesla require plug and charge to have an adapter, or will they just work like the Magic Dock? Be interesting to see. So we will find out soon enough. Right now, I'm charging up. And that's it for me. This is a quick one. But remember, EVs are awesome. And it's okay to be awesome. See you next time. So not bad. We plugged in at about 41% state of charge, up to 48% pretty quickly, actually. And not too bad to be at almost 50% state of charge and still pulling 84 kilowatts, 413 volts. That's not too terrible. And as you can see, look at that, 61 degrees outside on February 10th in Enfield, Connecticut. I'll take that. And I can't talk. Oh, blah, blah, blah.